गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। इस पार्ट में हम देखेंगे ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन। ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन is a situation when the applications are received for more shares than the company had issued. Means suppose if the company had issued 20,000 shares and the applications were received, it is applied for 25,000 shares or more than it. That is considered as shares are oversubscribed. When the applications are received more than the shares issued, जब भी कंपनी कोई शेयर को इशू करती है और उससे ज्यादा के लिए एप्लीकेशन आ जाती है तो उसको हम बोलते हैं ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन। अकाउंटिंग एंट्रीज इन केस ऑफ ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, a company receive the application money, so bank account debit to share application, then money received on a application that is transferred to the capital account, that is share application account debit to share capital account, then application money is refunded. अगर एक्सेस एप्लीकेशन मनी को या एक्सेस एप्लीकेशंस को हम रिजेक्ट करते हैं तो जो रिजेक्ट किए हुए शेयर होल्डर्स होते हैं उनको हम पैसा रिफंड कर देते हैं। एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट, यू कैन सी ये वाली जो एंट्री हमने बनाई थी इसी को हमने रिवर्स कर दिया। या फिर एक प्रोराटा अलॉटमेंट होता है, इसका मतलब होता है कि जिन लोगों ने ज़्यादा शेयर के लिए एप्लीकेशन दिया है उनको हम कुछ प्रोपोर्शनेट रेशो बनाकर रेशो में शेयर्स को अलॉट करते हैं। जैसे मान लीजिए किसी ने 500 शेयर्स मांगे हैं, डिमांड किया है, एंड वी हैव अलॉटेड ओनली 400 शेयर्स टू देम, तो इसका जो 100 शेयर का पैसा बचा हुआ है हमारे पास, ईदर इट कैन बी रिफंडेड और इट कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड फॉर द अलॉटमेंट पर्पस। जो भी एक्सेस अमाउंट हमारे पास आता है एप्लीकेशन पर, या तो हम उसको रिफंड करते हैं या फिर उसको नेक्स्ट अमाउंट में हम ट्रांसफर करते हैं। रिफंड करेंगे तो एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट, एंड इफ द मनी इज यूटिलाइज्ड टुवर्ड्स द अलॉटमेंट देन share application account debit to share allotment account, and further if the excess over the allotment money is there then it is further transferred to calls in advance account. Jatin Limited issued 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each at par. Amounts were payable as on application rupees 2 per share, on a allotment rupees 4 per share, and on first call rupees 4 per share. Applications were received for 25,000 shares. An allotment was made on pro rata basis. Pro rata basis means proportionate ratio. A ratio is fixed. You can see here the company had received the application 25,000, whereas the company had issued only 20,000 shares. So we can make a ratio here that is 5:4. Means for each 5 applications the company had allotted 4 shares. So this is the ratio which has been followed. The excess application, in this case the money is transferred to the allotment. The first entry what we need to pass is बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर एप्लीकेशन। जितनी एप्लीकेशन हमारे पास आई है उसका हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एप्लीकेशन मनी में। 25,000 into 2 that is 50,000. Then share application account debit to share capital account, 20,000 into 2 that is 40,000 rupees that can be transferred to the capital account, and the excess money received on 5,000 share application that will be transferred to allotment account. So 50,000 what we had received on application, 40,000 will be transferred to the capital account and 10,000 rupee will be transferred to allotment. Now the allotment money will be made due. Allotment account debit or share allotment account debit to share capital account, that is 20,000. Now all the money or all the entries will be passed for 20,000 only. 20,000 into 4, that is 80,000 rupee. Out of the 80,000 rupee, we have already transferred rupees 10,000. 10,000 हमको excess amount जो मिला था वो हम already allotment में transfer कर चुके हैं. It means now we will receive less amount on allotment. So bank account debit to share allotment account. We will receive only 70,000 because 80,000 rupees में से 10,000 हम already received कर चुके हैं. इसके बाद शेयर फर्स्ट कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट 20,000 shares and 4 rupees per share, that is 80,000, and then the amount will be realized, that is bank account debit to share first call account. Chain Limited issued 12,000 shares of rupees 10 each, 8 par. Amounts were payable as on application rupees 3 per share, on allotment 2 per share, and first call rupees 3 per share, and second and final call rupees 2 per share. Applications were received for 15,000 shares. An allotment was made on pro rata basis. The company issued only 12,000 shares, whereas the applications were received for 15,000. Pro rata allotment was made means no application had been rejected. Pass the journal entries. Let us see. The first entry what we need to pass is bank account debit to share application. तो 15,000 into 3 हमको कितना पेमेंट मिल जाएगा 45,000 rupees. Now share application account debit to share capital account and to share allotment account. Excess amount को हम allotment में transfer करेंगे. 12,000 into 3 because we had issued only 12,000 shares, and then excess amount will be transferred to allotment account. जो 45,000 रुपए 45,000 रुपीज आपको रिसीव्ड हुआ था उसमें से 36,000 रुपीज will be transferred to the capital account and 9,000 rupee will be transferred to allotment account. Share allotment account debit to share capital account. Now 12,000 applications we had received, or we have 12,000 shares we had issued. So allotment money rupees 2 per share, 24,000 will make due. Now the same amount we are going to. Now out of this 24,000 rupees में से 9,000 रुपए या 9,000 rupees we have already received. So we will receive only 15,000 rupees. Then share first call account debit to share capital account. First call amount is given as rupees 3 per share and 12,000 shares we had issued. So 12,000 into 3, that is 36,000. Then the same amount we are going to receive. We are given here the second call also rupees 2 per share. So the journal entry will be share second call account debit to share capital account 12,000 into 2, 24,000, and the same amount we are going to receive. Let's see the next question. Tax Limited issued 15,000 shares of rupees 10 each, 8 par. Amounts were payable as on application rupees 3 per share, on allotment rupees 2 per share, on first call rupees 3 per share, and on second and final call, that is 2 per share. The applications were received for 18,000 shares and the allotment was made on pro rata basis. The first entry, bank account debit to share application. Next entry, share application account debit to share capital and to share allotment account. 15,000 share were issued by the company, but हमको application कितना मिला है 18,000. So 18,000 multiplied by 3, 54,000 we are going to receive. Now 54,000 is the total amount what we have received, but we can transfer to the capital account only the amount related to 15,000 shares. तो हम केवल यहाँ पर ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं 45,000 शेयर्स को या 45,000 अमाउंट को. Now the remaining amount related to 3,000 shares application will be transferred to allotment. The next entry is share allotment account debit to share capital account, that is rupees 2 per share on 15,000 shares, that is 30,000 rupees. The company will receive here only 21,000 because we had to receive 30,000 rupees मिलना चाहिए था, जिसमें से 9,000 रुपए हम ऑलरेडी रिसीव कर चुके हैं. माइनस करेंगे तो अमाउंट आ जाएगा आपका 21,000 रुपीज. शेयर फर्स्ट कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट, दैट इज on 15,000 shares 3 rupees per share, it means 45,000 rupees. The full amount we are going to receive here, that is 45,000. Bank account debit to share first call account. Then for second call, share second call account debit to share capital account, 2 rupees per share on 15,000, that is 30,000 rupees, and the same amount we are going to receive. So the entry for receiving the amount, that is bank account debit to share second call account. Betty Limited Company issued 15,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. Amounts were payable as on application rupees 3 per share, on allotment it is 5 including premium, on first call rupees 2 per share, and on second call rupees 2 per share. Here on allotment you are given 2 rupees per share premium. It means 3 rupees are related to allotment and 2 rupees related to प्रीमियम. यहाँ पर 3 रुपए जो है वो आपका अलॉटमेंट का मनी है एंड 2 रुपीज जो है वो सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व का अमाउंट है. The applications were received for 18,000 shares and 3,000 applications were rejected. Allotment was made to all the remaining applicants as the journal entries. The company had received the applications, that is 18,000. So bank account debit to share application account 18,000 into 3, that is 54,000. Then this amount will be transferred. 54,000. कंपनी ने केवल 15,000 शेयर इशू किए थे, तो 15,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3, दैट इज 45,000. इसके बाद जो रिजेक्ट किया है एप्लीकेशन को 3,000, देयर मनी विल बी रिफंडेड. सो 9,000 विल बी रिफंडेड. द कंपनी विल मेक द अमाउंट ऑफ अलॉटमेंट ड्यू. टोटल अलॉटमेंट मनी जो है वो कितना है 5 रुपीज का, मतलब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 से, that is 25,000. In capital, we can transfer only the amount related to allotment, that is 3 rupees per share. So 45,000 rupee will be transferred to capital account and remaining amount, that is 2 rupees each on 15,000 shares, 30,000 will be transferred to security premium reserve account. Now bank account debit to allotment account, full amount we are going to receive, that is 75,000 rupee. Then first call amount will be due 15,000 multiplied by 2, that is 30,000, and the same amount we are going to receive here. 2 more journal entries we need to pass for second call. They are share second call account debit to share capital account. Amount will be recorded as 30,000 rupees. 15,000 multiplied by 2. और यही अमाउंट हमको मिल जाएगा, इसको हम रिकॉर्ड करेंगे यहाँ पर 30,000 रुपीज. Bank account debit to share second and final call account. Question number 5. Net Limited issued 25,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. Amounts were payable as on application rupees 3 per share, on allotment rupees 5 per share including premium. It means 3 rupees for allotment which will be transferred to the capital and 2 rupees per share on premium. On first call it is 4 per share. Applications were received for 28,000 shares. Pro rata allotment was made to all the remaining applicants. Bank account debit to share application account. You can see the company had received 28,000 applications. It means 28,000 multiplied by 3 per share. It is 84,000 rupees. Then share application account debit to share capital account and to share allotment account. Because the pro rata allotment was made, the excess amount will be transferred to the share allotment account. The company had received 84,000 rupees. Now 25,000 shares had been issued by the company. 25,000 शेयर कंपनी ने इशू किए थे 3 रुपए के हिसाब से. 75,000 rupees will be transferred to the capital account and then excess application, that is 3,000 multiplied by 3, that will be transferred to allotment account. Share allotment account debit to share capital account and to security premium reserve. कंपनी ने 25,000 शेयर्स इशू किया था. पर शेयर पर अलॉटमेंट का मनी दे रखा है 5, जिसमें से कैपिटल में ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं केवल 3 रुपए और रिमेनिंग अमाउंट जो है वो हम एसपीआर में ट्रांसफर करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर टोटल अमाउंट आ जाएगा आपका 1,25,000, जिसमें से 75,000 रुपी रिलेटेड है किससे? कैपिटल से, और 50,000 रुपीज रिलेटेड है एसपीआर से, that is security premium reserve. As the company had already transferred rupees 9,000, okay, the excess amount to the allotment, तो कंपनी के पास जब रिसीव्ड होगा पैसा तो ये 9,000 रुपीज कम रिसीव्ड होगा. मतलब कंपनी को टोटल मिलाकर मिलना चाहिए था 1,25,000, जिसमें से 9,000 रुपीज ऑलरेडी कंपनी को मिल चुका है. So the company will receive only 1,16,000 rupees. Next, share first call account debit to share capital account, that is 4 rupees per share. So 25,000 multiplied by 4, that is 1 lakh rupee, and the company will receive the full amount. So the next entry will be passed as bank account debit to share first and final call, that is 1 lakh rupee. Henry Company Limited issued 2,000 shares of rupees 10 each, 8 par. Amounts were payable as on application rupees 3 per share, on allotment it is 4 per share, and on first call rupees 3 per share. Applications were received for 3,000 shares. 400 applications were rejected, means their money will be refunded. Allotment was made on pro rata basis to all the remaining applicants. Pass the journal entries. देखिए यहाँ पर कंपनी को 2,000 शेयर्स इशू करने पर एप्लीकेशन मिला है 3,000, जिसमें से 400 एप्लीकेशंस को कंपनी ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया है. मतलब 400 वालों को कंपनी ने कोई भी शेयर नहीं दिया है. इसका मतलब है कंपनी के पास अभी एप्लीकेशन बची हुई है 2600, जिसमें से कंपनी ने 2000 शेयर्स अलॉट किए हैं. इसका मतलब 600 शेयर्स के ऊपर जो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट हमको मिला है दैट विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड टू अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट. लेट्स सी. पहली एंट्री जो बनेगी बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट. कंपनी हैड रिसीव्ड 3000 एप्लीकेशंस एंड 3 रुपीस पर शेयर एप्लीकेशन का मनी था. तो company will receive 9,000 rupees. Out of this 9,000 rupee received on application, company can transfer to the capital account only the amount related to 2000. केवल 2000 शेयर कंपनी ने इशू किए हैं, तो केवल 2000 का ही पैसा कंपनी ट्रांसफर कर सकती है कैपिटल अकाउंट में, दैट इज 6000 रुपीज. नाउ अलॉटमेंट, कंपनी ने 600 शेयर्स को प्रोराटा अलॉटमेंट किया है या 600 वालों को प्रोराटा अलॉटमेंट किया है. सो दिस विल बी ट्रांसफर टू द शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट. एंड 400 शेयर्स एप्लीकेशंस को कंपनी ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया है, तो उनके पैसे को कंपनी रिफंड करेगी. तो यहाँ पर कितना आ जाएगा, 1800 रुपीज, एंड रिफंड अमाउंट कितना हो जाएगा, 1200 रुपीज. कंपनी अलॉटमेंट का मनी कॉल करेगा, दैट इज 2000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4. कंपनी के पास कुल मिलाकर 8000 रुपीज आना चाहिए, जिसमें से कंपनी को 1800 रुपीज ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है. जो 1800 रुपीज ऑलरेडी कंपनी को मिल चुका है उसको कंपनी माइनस करेगी. 8000 माइनस 1800, दैट इज 6200 rupees. Then first call account debit to share capital account, 2000 shares multiplied by 3 per share, that is 6000. Again bank account debit to share first call account, that is 6000.